Yeah? Yeah?
Are you okay?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. You see, I just took a little fall there. It probably looked ugly, but don't worry. I'm good. I just tripped a little bit, you see?
Oh, you don't want to go to the hospital?
John, get away from me. They don't know how to treat something as fast as me. That injury could have killed a normal person, but I got superhuman adaptability. And I tucked and rolled like a professional. And yeah. Basically, I'm just trying to play off how bad that was. It was so bad. I've never tripped like that. I think I'm just gonna give up.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, I can't be a superhero anymore.
Yes, you can. You're the fastest man alive.
But I just tripped.
Hey, if you quit, you know who's gonna be faster than you? Superman. And you don't want him to be faster than you.
Wait, did you just say Superman
Yes.
would be faster than me? Oh, heck no. That dude's never gonna be faster than me. I'm making an oath right now, children, and other people watching, that I will never give up my craft. I will never stop running. And if you don't take anything else from this video, if you don't listen to any of the physics that was just said, know this: never give up. I would have gone with that the whole time. It just so happened that he told me, and I thought that was a good idea, so. Okay, I'm gonna finish my run now.
Now that we know what distance and persistence are, we are now going to practice this by measuring the fastest distance from the origin.
So I gotta move?
Yes.
Well, just give me a second. I have a bit too many clothes on at the moment.
Oh, Flash.
Hey man, I'm just getting into my costume here. This isn't gonna work. Sorry. I need to...
Cut.
Metric system is used worldwide.
Well, scientist, if I learned anything from the Reagan administration, it's American exceptionalism.
Why are you even that old?
You don't know how old I am. What, you're saying I'm out of shape? Just because I put on a gut, you mean...
No.
I still got it for you in like 0.2 seconds.
You're the fastest man alive.
You
You're not out of shape.
You hurt my feelings. I'm gonna go to the origin now. Just continue.
Okay. So we use this to say where the Flash is relative to the origin.
Right here.
We use this. He is truly the
fastest man alive.
Your mask came off.
Oh, so you guys can see what I look like? I feel bad for you. Oh shit, that's what I gotta do.
Let's define what speed is.
Picked up some fried rice. You want it later?
If it's all in your stomach, though.
Well, no, it's in my flash pouch, but I did eat most of it, though. Saw the Great Wall. Good stuff. You know, they got the Olympics going on in South Korea.
Did you win the one-man dash?
I mean, I participated. I didn't stick around for the medal, though. Probably should have. I don't think they even knew I was there, to be honest, so... life's good when you're this fast. I wish I had a better metabolism, though. That's my only thing. I can't really eat trans fats anymore. You'd think by running it would all be burnt off, but no. Thanks, metabolism, you know, genes and everything. You think being the fastest, you got the best genes, but I mean, I'm not even wearing jeans, but if I did, they wouldn't fit. That's the main point that I'm trying to make here. Keep learning.
We'll save that bit for heroic biology. So, when you change your...
Cut.